What's up, everyone? We're back with another break. This is Triple Up football break number 1379. Thank you all for joining. It's Triple Up, so everyone's name was randomized. 3.
No way! No way!
Let's see.
Nice job, buddy!
Let's see.
Holy!
Wow! Wow!
Anybody who deserved a big hit was you, man. That's so nice.
I'm gonna put that in a thing and I'll
go and then
That's
yeah.
$2 grand right there. $2 grand.
Whoa.
Same one that Anthony pulled.
That's sick.
Number 1 of 25.
Oh, that's
even
probably
more.
like 25.
Add money to that. Holy ching ching.
Sorry, guys, got distracted seeing a McDavid and Gretzky autograph from SP Authentic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Jets on top, Broncos on the bottom. That just killed all the breaks I've done so far tonight. That one card. I'll show you. He's going to put in a one touch. I have the camera off. It's not off. We're here. Let him put in the one touch. I'll show you guys. Okay, Robert William has the Jets. So Neil has the Chiefs. Kevin D has the Washington Redskins.
Yo, and I seen it. First I seen them with David and I was just like, Gretzky.
Sean Berard, Green Bay Packers. Kevin with the Bengals. Sunil with the Lions. Bill Corn with the Dolphins and Raiders. Brandon Sam with the Steelers. Sean Berard with the Titans. Robert Williams with the Texans. Sunil with the Chargers. Kevin with the Patriots. Sean Berard with the Falcons. Kevin with the Eagles. Sunil with the Giants. Bill Corn, Browns and Rams. Brandon Sam, Niners. Sean Berard, Cardinals. Robert Williams, Seahawks. Sunil with the Cowboys. Kevin with the Bills. Sean Berard with Saints, Kevin with the Colts, Sunil with the Ravens, Bill Corn with the Bears and Jaguars, Brandon Sam with the Panthers, Sean Berard with the Vikings, Sunil with the Buccaneers, and Sean Berard with the Broncos.
That's a pull.
Oh, yeah, that's a sick one.
I heard you guys screaming. I was like, what the hell did I just miss? Nice job, buddy. Wow.
I'm like, yo, fuck, who cares about
Yeah, look how close to the box he still got, too. It's
I
like,
thought you
holy
hit one of the
jeez.
black ones because we were just talking about it.
Cito, did you leave the packs in the box?
Yeah.
Which pack was it? How many you opened so far? Oh, so it wasn't top left. It's usually
It was top left.
Top left, then this whole case top left would be the autograph.
What do you mean? So just open
If
it
it's
up.
top left, the rest of the case is a chance to auto. Or
That's the one, guys.
top left.
Oh,
He's sending it for grading. That's why it's in that case.
right? So I'll go top left.
Side of the Times, Connor McDavid and Wayne Gretzky. That's not in a break. That's just a personal hit here at the shop.
Are there any more?
Yeah.
Did you print that or no?
Yes.
That's sick.
I'm out of paper.
Oh.
Hey, I'm glad.
Do you have? I don't have any.
We don't have any either.
That's a crazy card, man.
Well, we got to print it anyway, so we'll put it printed on stickers.
I'll come and get it
No, I
in a
know, but
second.
Okay.
you guys out of the top bunch, yeah. I think the only other one comparable because I was love you. But him having the number 1 to 25, that's monster.
Yeah, usually the first ones and the last ones.
First and last one, yeah. Oh, geez, he's digging in. Well, how much you get?
See here, buddy.
Seeing if he can do some damage. Got some gold pack. Oh, I'm gonna have to change the channel. Football game should be on.
Any trades, guys? Huh?
It's crazy how you picked that.
Baltimore
Pull them all out.
Ravens.
Just randomly.
Sunil, yeah. Sunil, his birthday's coming up next year. He's a Broncos fan. You know that, Jatinder. They're Ravens, yeah. What did I say, Broncos? Yeah, sorry. These two together is a sick card. Cito, your card is ready. Ready for pickup. Cito, nothing good in the Immaculate? Don't take it. I want to see them.
I got Charles Barkley
Auto?
auto.
Oh, that's a good one. Sixers or Suns?
Sixers.
Even better. His Sixers sell way more than Suns.
Rookie.
So we got a shot at Cass. I kept $1. Let's see. Mahomes. Okay, guys. Good luck. Let's open the Donruss hanger first. Yeah, there's no more left. He got them all.
Just left that one, eh?
No, this one I took it before he takes them. Base. There's a press proof of Joe Thomas for Browns. Brett Kern for Titans. Bears, Eddie Jackson. Alex McGoo, rookie for Seattle. Gridiron, J.J. Watt, Texans. Rookie of Saquon Barkley. Not bad for Sunil and the Giants. Mike Hughes, rookie for Vikings. And Mike White for the Cowboys, if I'm not. Yeah. And then these are all base cards.
I'm in that one, right?
Football? No. You're in basketball and baseball. 2017. Let's go, Mahomes.
Wow, to the right guy.
A couple of thick ones there. It might be jersey card. It might not. I don't know. Mr. Gallagher, why are you at home? It was Chuck's birthday. For the Texans, J.J. Watt, Elite Series, and a rookie of Matthew Days, Broncos. Sorry, Browns, not Broncos. Come on, Mahomes. Let's get a Mahomes. Rookie of Mike Williams for the Chargers.
Me and him grew up together. You know what? I'll tell you a story about Albert.
Tyreek Hill, Chiefs, Dominator. And Jordan Leggett, Jets. CJ Beathard, Niners, or Bethard. Niners rookie. Nathan Peterman, Buffalo Bills, press proof. And a Tre'Davious White rookie for the Bills. Jamal Williams, Packers. Oh, is he? Receiver? Running back. Rookie for the Niners of Trent Taylor. Rookie for the Cowboys of Chidobe Awuzie. Wow. I can't believe I pronounced that. We got a hit here. I think we got a rookie in the back. Dante Foreman, Texans. And rookie threads of Christian McCaffrey. Not bad. Rookie jersey, Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. Rookie of Chad Kelly for Broncos. We have a red production line of Matt Ryan and Nathan Peterman, Buffalo Bills. Wow, no. 7 blasters I've seen open recently. No Mahomes. Okay, we're going to do XR. We're going to finish with Origins. Yeah, there's 0607 Malkin over there. Top there, $89.99 right beside it. No, first, Jatinder, look. Look at the first ones up there. when the shelf starts. 89.99, 0405. On top. 0405. Right beside it is a 0607.
How much is that blaster box?
69, I think.
That's it?
For these, yeah, that's
Cro-
0506.
Crosby?
Ovechkin. Crosby Series 1, Ovechkin Series 2. Series 2. That's Series 2.
Series 1 is Crosby.
Base. Todd Gurley base. We have a Bobby Wagner. 226 out of 249 for the Seahawks. We have a nice Nick Bosa. Number 10 of 10 gold. Wow. That's a nice one for the Niners. 10 of 10 Nick Bosa. Rookie. Gold. That's a nice one. Oh, he's a monster. He reminds me of Gronk. He's like a Gronk kind of.
That thing with him and Baker Mayfield. So when Baker Mayfield's college team played against them, he was waving the flag on their.
Yeah. 1 out of 25. Alexander Mattison. Rookie patch auto for the Vikings.
Little payback, eh?
Yeah, that was a.
Always nice for a little payback and stuff like
Is that Kyler Murray autograph? I don't think it is, but it would have been nice if it was.
No,
That's
hopefully
crazy.
not.
This guy got drafted.
First?
Could have got drafted for baseball as well.
Yeah.
It's not. 97 out of 99. Kyler Murray.
Hell of an athlete.
Potential.
You get a chance to do two different
Ponet. What? Ponet. Potential? Potential?
potential.
But on top it says potential. Is that a word? Potential? Potential? Like, I have no idea. I have two Canadian guys here. They don't know. And we have a rookie of Hunter Renfrew. Raiders. These two are base, right? Yeah. Let's put this one here. Rookie of Greedy William. Yeah. For Greedy Williams is Browns. Jimmy Garoppolo. Do you want a Garoppolo base card? For the Chargers, Keenan Allen. Number 68 out of 99. Raiders, 27 out of 99. Celine Farrell, rookie. We have a nice Terry McLaurin, 140 out of 199. Redskins. And Dante Johnson, jumbo to 149 for Steelers. What? This one? Really? Terry McLaurin, 140 out of 199. Jatinder says that's a good one. Who has the Redskins? Kevin. That's a good one, Kevin. What's up, D-Rock? Huh? He doesn't have any. I haven't seen D-Rock's name in a long time. Brandon Sam, we're working on it. Remind me again on Wednesday when I do the shipping. I don't think there will be any problem with that, but you got to remind me because we're working on a system to have the pickups in Metrotown as well. Take care, guys. See ya. You too. So we'll definitely come up with a plan later on, but right now I will do an exception and I'll get Ken to take it with him once. But you got to remind me so I don't forget. And I do shippings on Wednesdays. So Origins, guys. 2019 Origins is the final box. All of these ones will be shipped. I think there's if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there's two numbered cards there. Okay, first up is 78 out of 299. Nick Foles for the Jaguars.
Yeah, here, put it down right there.
Darius Leonard, 53 out of 175. Colts. Mike Evans for the Buccaneers. Kenyon Drake, Miami. Jerome Bettis and James Conner, the bus, 14 out of 49, Pittsburgh. Ooh. N'Keal Harry, rookie autograph. He's okay, right? And we finish with Terry McLaurin again. Same guy. Same guy in two different products. Rookie jersey auto. Redskins. So you got him in XR and you got him now in Origins. Terry McLaurin, wide receiver.
Terry. He's fucking a beast.
Beast.
Didn't do shit today.
That N'Keal Harry has got
they had a quarterback, he beat.
And that is the football break, guys.
I just said it. Boom.
You're welcome.
He'll reply to that for sure.
You are welcome, Brandon. Okay, I think we have the baseball up next. And I don't think we can get the NBA done tonight. We'll be right back.